guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today we are up with a new video and this is all about German connectors specifically for writing and speaking. And guys, this is a B2 must edition. Yes. Guys, you heard it correct. Everything will be in German, proper explanation. If you can think German connectors can be the easiest, then this video will make that. So yes, watch this video till end. If you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparations, 10th, 12th exam prep, like whatever you can think around German. German Gyan is the one-stop solution for all your queries. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's start with this video. Let's go.
German connectors for writing and speaking. First, we are going to discuss zweiteilige Konnektoren, which are two-part connectors. These connectors come in pair and make your German sound advanced and structured. The first connector is nicht nur, sondern auch, means not only but also. And the example is ist nicht nur intelligent, sondern auch fleißig, means he is not only intelligent but also hardworking. So nicht nur comes in the first part of the sentence, sondern auch comes in the next part. Second connector is sowohl als auch, means both and. For example, sie spricht sowohl Deutsch als auch English, means she speaks both German and English. So sowohl comes before first option and als auch comes before second option. Third connector is entweder oder, which means either or. For example, wir fahren entweder mit dem Zug oder mit dem Bus. The translation is we will travel either by train or by bus. Fourth connector is weder noch, means neither nor. For example, trinkt weder Kaffee noch Tee, means he drinks neither coffee nor tea. Fifth connector is zwar aber, which means although but, or it's true that but. For example, zwar ist der Kurs schwierig, aber ist sehr nützlich, means although the course is difficult, but it's also very useful. Next connector is je desto, or at the place of desto we can also write umso, which means the more, the more. With this connector we always use the comparative form of the adjective. For example, je mehr man übt, desto besser spricht man Deutsch, means the more you practice, the better you speak German. Then we have dadurch dass, which is used to show cause or the result. This means by the fact that or because. The sentence structure is main clause plus dadurch, then put a comma, then comes the das, and the rest of the sentence you can write and verb goes at the end of the sentence. For example, man kann seine Sprache verbessern dadurch, dass man regelmäßig spricht, means you can improve your language by speaking regularly. Another example is sie hat ihr Deutsch verbessert dadurch, dass sie jeden Tag liest, means she improved her German by reading every day. The next connector is indem, which is used to show that how something is done. So the meaning is by doing or through. It shows the method of like doing something. For example, man lernt neue Wörter, indem man viel liest, means you learn new words by reading a lot. Another example, spart Geld, indem weniger online einkauft, means he saves money by shopping online less. Let's see some B2 writing examples. The first one is nicht nur hat sie die Prüfung bestanden, sondern auch mit sehr guter Note, means she not only passed the exam but also with a very good grades. Second example, je mehr man Deutsch hört, desto besser versteht man die Sprache, means the more you listen to German, the better you understand the language. Another example, man kann Stress reduzieren dadurch, dass man regelmäßig Sport treibt, means you can reduce stress by exercising regularly. Another example, Er verbessert seine Aussprache, indem deutsche Podcast hört, means he improves his pronunciation by listening to German podcasts. Je mehr ich Deutsch spreche, desto sicherer fühle ich mich, means the more I speak German, the more confident I feel. Another example: Ich habe mein Schreiben verbessert, indem ich täglich Text geschrieben habe, means I improved my writing by writing text daily.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love to all the videos. I hope you're watching our podcast also on Spotify. If not, then link is in description. Must watch. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.